how to join Temu Influencer program. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to join Temu Influencer program. So for that, just open any browser of your preference and on the search bar just search for Temu Influencer program and then just click on the first link that appears, and after that you will be landed to this website on the official website of Temu for influencer and collaboration. And after that, all you have to do is just click on the join the program now button, and after that you have to accept the terms and condition of the Temu influencer program. Just click on accept, and here you have to provide your personal information in order to get started. So just select the categories and the product that you are interested in your account to make content to promote Temu products, and then just click on continue, and then you have to authorize your account while linking your social media platform. For example, you want to link your Instagram account where you would promote Temu's product, or it could be your TikTok account or your YouTube account. Once this is done, you have to provide your information regarding joining the influencer program, and within 7 days you will receive an email where you will be directed with the further processes and the campaign, and there will be a link to join a campaign, whether it's an offline or online campaign or a product based campaign. So all you have to do is just mention the details and authorize your account, and then just wait for the confirmation email. As soon as the Temu influencer program will approve your profile, you will be able to join the Temu influencer program quite easily. So this is how you can join Temu influencer program. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.